Today's video, we're going to talk about why we are using Diatomaceous Earth in our chicken coop. We're also going to use it in their run, in their dust baths, and in their food. If this helped you out, dropping below and hitting that thumbs up. Please consider subscribing as well. We make new videos every Friday. In case you didn't know, Diatomaceous Earth is a chalky powder that is made up of fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatom. It can kill and prevent several internal parasites like lice and mites. It's packed with minerals, and it's said that chickens that consume it are heavier and lay more eggs. Right now, with our flock, we average about 18 eggs a day, so we're gonna check that again in about a month and see how they're doing. What we're gonna do is sprinkle it every couple days in their dust baths and their coop, and we're gonna put it in their feed every day. There's also several reasons why it's good to use it in your coop. It removes moisture, it can prevent smell, and it's good to use it when you clean your coop, especially if you use the deep litter method. You can buy this at pretty much any feed store. Make sure you buy the food grade so it's safe for your chickens and for you. We're also gonna drop a link down below where you can find it on Amazon. It's not gonna hurt the chickens if you put it on them. If anything, if they have any parasites, it will take care of them. They just might not like it. You could probably use a spreader to do this. I don't have anything, so I'm just using my hands. Their favorite place to have a dust bath is on the side of my house. It's not gonna be like that forever, but for now, there's not much I can do about it, so. Now I'm gonna put a little bit in their food. I put 1 scoop in. Now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this in there. Put another scoop in, and then I'll just mix it up.
Boss man!
If this helped you out, dropping below and hitting that thumbs up. Please consider subscribing as well. We make new videos every Friday.